Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to talk to you about Super Clean. Over here I have three different varieties of Super Clean. In the center is the original formula right there. It's a Tough-Task Cleaner-Degreaser. It says dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you likely have seen my other spots with Super Clean, and 100% it lives up to its name and its claims. This is the original formula in a trigger spray bottle. Spray it on, let it sit, agitate the surface, whatever you're cleaning, with whatever tool you'd like, and then rinse it off. Over here we have the exact same formula, but that is in an aerosol type can, spray can. And what's nice is when it comes out, it foams up. And that's going to be great for vertical surfaces that you're going to clean. And over here on the right, I have the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. And that's meant for cars. If you have alloy wheels, something like that, once again, the same simple steps. Spray it on, let it set, agitate the surface, and rinse it clean. The one thing you must always remember, never let the product dry on the surface. Other than that, you're good to go. I have something that I'm going to clean. It's springtime now, and because of everything germinating and whatnot, yeah, the white PVC fence gets it. The green stuff. You likely have it if you have a fence like this and it's been around any length of time. So we're going to use Super Clean to clean that up. Now, I've been using Super Clean for a very long time now, and I know what it can do. And I know what the best tool for the job is here. It's going to be the aerosol can. Well, you know what? We're not going to do that, and we're going to make Super Clean's job even harder and see if it can still perform. You do not have to use this product at full strength. You can dilute it. So I'm going to do a 3-to-1 ratio of this, and I'm going to show you how. Here is an empty spray bottle that I got at the $10 store with today's prices. Tried to match the color as close as I could, but they didn't have a direct purple, so we did our best here with that. This bottle, as it shows up here, is 28 ounces. Well, if you divide that by 4, because we're going to have 3 parts water and 1 part Super Clean, you get 7. So I'm going to fill this bottle with 7 times 3, or 21 ounces of water, and then we'll fill the rest with Super Clean. Roughly 21 ounces of water. It doesn't have to be perfectly exact. And we're going to go up to the fill line, right at the tippy top here. You'll get a little foam, that's okay. And right there, and we're all set. Now what I'm going to do is, of course, put the top on and shake it to disperse. Now, for saving time, I'm only going to be doing part of the fence here. We'll do like 2 sections here up to about here. So let me just prime this, get it ready to go. Spray Super Clean on, just like that. And I'm going to leave that sit for just a minute or 2, and then we're going to agitate the surface. Okay, that's been about a minute or so. Here's my version of a spin scrubber to drill with a nice brush in it. And now we're going to hose that off. It looks like I got my work cut out for me, because I have the whole rest of the fence to do. But if you don't have or don't want to invest in a pressure washer, Super Clean, and a spin scrubber, which you may already have, will be an excellent alternative. So if you got a fence like this, you know about bird mess. They land on top of it and take care of business. For this, we're going to use the aerosol type. Just spray it on just like that. Once again, same thing. We're going to let that sit, and then we'll agitate it and rinse it off. Now, because this was the aerosol spray, you'll notice it stays exactly where I sprayed it, and it's not dripping down. That's nice in this particular case, but you know, for fence, you'd spray toward the top and let it drip down, and you know, it can work more magic there. We're going to agitate this now. We'll even do here where I didn't really spray. Pretty good. And now we'll rinse that off. While I was not able to get the right color top for the spray bottle, at least I got the purple hose. Rinse that off. Absolutely brand new. And another thing, if you can tell with the camera, let me tilt it down here a bit. Right at the top, the clean area, this black stuff, pressure washer doesn't necessarily get rid of that. So Super Clean would be excellent for taking that off. I got a bit more to do. Once again, same story. You can see once again, it stayed exactly where I sprayed it. We'll even do, you know, spread it around a bit. See what else we can do. Anywhere the cleaner was sprayed, absolutely perfect. This black stuff, all gone right there. Everything is absolutely perfect, cleaned up real nice. Now this may be hard for you to see on camera, but it really has been irking me. I have this spot over here. What I believe that to be is from something I was cooking on the grill. I have a tendency to set the tongs down there, and I guess something dripped off, and you know what happened. That's been there. It's rained a few times. Nothing's happened, so we're going to take the whole surface and I'm going to spray it down once again with the 3-to-1 diluted Super Clean that we used before, which did an absolutely exemplary job. And we're going to go ahead and just spray this down. I'll pay a little extra attention to that. Spray the whole table down. Center also has some junk in it. And that'll be good. We'll let that sit for a minute or so, agitate it, and rinse it. Now I'm going to let that sit for a while. It's sunny and hot out, so it should dry in not too much time. Absolutely perfect. And that spot that was over here is completely gone. Perfect job once again. Remember that that was the diluted Super Clean, and we saw that earlier with the first part of the fence with the green on it. It is very rare these days that a product lives up to its name and its claims. Very rare. But Super Clean, once again, has done the trick. It has left all of the surfaces super clean. It was super easy, and it certainly was super fast. And you can make 4 bottles of this stuff just like that by diluting this out. Actually a little more, because this is 32 ounces, so you'll get almost 5 bottles out of that by diluting it 3-to-1 like I did, and it still worked just as well. Of course, you're going to dilute based on the particular surfaces and the cleaning jobs you have at hand. If you have some really grimy stuff, you're going to want to use full strength, of course. But for less dirty but still dirty stuff, you can certainly dilute it, and it works just as well. Once again, anything I've thrown at Super Clean has indeed become super clean. I'm going to leave some links in the video description. One, to where you can buy this product. I'll leave a link to Super Clean's website. You can also find this in a lot of big box stores out there, auto parts stores, stuff like that as well. You would be apt to find that, and probably some big box home improvement stores would also carry it as well. Excellent all around. We're not testing out the all-wheel cleaner today, although my wheels do need cleaning, but maybe in the future we'll take a look at that as well. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.